my friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I've shared in previous videos, which I'll link to below, my choice of all of the cookware, bakeware, mixing bowls that I chose for our lake home. We don't plan to cook at the lake like we cook at home, but I still wanted the same thing that I have at home because it's what I already use, love, and trust. So today I'm going to be sharing my bakeware, and just like all of the cookware, the mixing bowls, I chose my favorite brand, Caraway. Caraway is absolutely, in my very humble but very, I think, valid opinion, because I'm 60 and I feel like I've used it all, tried it all, and just had my hands in every other brand, to know my basis of a comparison is that I've never seen a brand that performs or looks better than Caraway, and to boot, they are non-toxic. So the things I love about Caraway Home are, number one, they're non-toxic, and that was not my number one. When I initially bought it, it was the non-stick, and because it was pretty. But as we've heard so much over the last couple of years or even longer, companies were putting chemicals. There were PFAs, all these chemicals that were forever chemicals that would live in your body in perpetuity, and of course cause health problems. So that is another reason that I was sold on Caraway Home, because they are hands down safe, non-toxic. So number one, Caraway Home is safe and non-toxic and free of all forever chemicals. Number two, it functions so beautifully. Now today I'm going to be talking about bakeware, anything that you would bake in the oven. And I'm a baker. I bake a lot. I do a lot of muffins and sweetbreads. I'll link to all of my recipes below because there's a lot. I have a peach bread, I have a banana bread, blueberry bread, strawberry bread, which you must try if you've never tried. It's amazing. One of my biggest angsts when baking, especially muffins, was the lack of everyone falling out. There was always that lone muffin or even more that would stick, and I would have to pry it out, and half of it would be stuck to the bottom. Not with Caraway. And the beauty of Caraway is the non-stick. You do not have to spray. You do not have to butter. You don't have to do anything but pour your batter, and you will have a fabulous release every time. Someone watching or listening, you may have had a different experience. I never have, and I have baked a ton because I have this bakeware at home. I've baked so many times and I've never had it stick. But I have unboxed, and I thought about doing an unboxing, but I just want to show you all. Look how fastidious Caraway is about having everything packaged so it does not break or scratch. So I didn't think y'all wanted to watch me take it all apart, but you will definitely need to break it down when you're done. But look at this beautiful, it comes in a beautiful, beautiful box. Everything they do is just excellent. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start, and I'm just going to show you the bundle that I got, and I will link to it, is the bundle that I would recommend if you are outfitting a kitchen for a second home, or you're moving to college and you are either going to be in an apartment or a house where you have a kitchen and you do plan to cook. This is not for a dorm room or for someone who's never going to cook. But if you are going to cook at a smaller scale and you just want the basics, this is what I would recommend. And I'll link to this exact bundle. Caraway has lots of different bundles for lots of different needs. So this is what I'm going to have here. At home, I have more because I bake voraciously at home. So I'll explain that as we get along, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by showing you these lovely organizers that are included. I did not buy these separately. They have the Velcro here at the end to hold everything in. Look how gorgeous. If I were to buy these would probably be $20, $25 if I were to get them at Home Goods or wherever. But if you don't have, I have in my kitchen, because we just did a custom renovation, I had built-in dividers that function like this. But in most homes, unless you've custom built them, you're just gonna have to place these somewhere in a cabinet or drawer. So this is fabulous if you have a space above have, or a very tall space, and you want to have these all organized like this, you don't have to go buy something different. So here we go, and we're going to start with the baking sheets. First of all, I love my green. At home, I have their blue. They have a gorgeous blue, but the green, it fits the lake aesthetic. I'm gonna give you all a peek out my window. Everything is green, okay? So we went with green. Essential, 1 large baking sheet. This is perfect. You can throw your veggies. You can make 2 dozen biscuits on this. You can do cookies. You can do anything you would use a baking sheet for. And because many people will use this for cookies, they have included this. It fits here, and you cool your cookies on top of that. You always want to cool your cookies on like a cooling rack. So we have that, and that one will be all I need here. And this is a smaller one, and you would use this for the same things, but just for a smaller group, okay? And you get this muffin pan. So this is a dozen muffins. At home, I have 2 of these because I bake more at home, but for here, this would make not only muffins, it would make egg bites. You could do some sort of egg and pepper and like little mini quiche. And remember, you don't have to spray. Okay, so now we're gonna get to the deeper baking. Okay, so here, if you want to make a layer cake, you have 2 cake pans. Now these are called cake pans, but guys, these are really just round casseroles. You could make a quiche, you could make a deep dish pie, you could make an icebox dessert, you could make scalloped potatoes, you could make anything in this. It's anything that you want it to be round and deep. Here's a square casserole. For this, I would make brownies or blondies, any type of square baked dessert. Oh goodness, they're chess pie. Anything that is fine to have a side. You can make a cake in this, just a single dump cake or a cake. And then you can also do anything. You've got a larger one, okay? You can do a casserole, a smaller casserole. Anything you would do in the smaller one, you can just do larger in this casserole size. This is a standard casserole size. This would either be a 9 by 11 or 9.5 by 11, just a normal casserole size. Baked ziti, a spaghetti pie. You could put chicken thighs with potatoes. You could do so many things in this. You can make a big batch of brownies. So these are just your baking casseroles. And I just like, because I'm just needing the essentials, I just like having what I'm going to use. I don't want a lot of extra. And if you have a second home, you don't want to have to take care of a lot, or a vacation home, you don't want to be taking care of a lot, you want just what you need, okay? And then here is the loaf pan, okay? A loaf of blueberry bread, banana bread, sourdough. Now I want to tell you, at home, because I do a lot of baking at home, I have 2 of these because all of my bread recipes, which will be linked, make 2 loaves, okay? What you can do if you choose to get this bundle is you can use this and this. This is the equivalent. This one is the equivalent of the loaf. So this is 2 loaves. All you need to do is realize that the muffins, you'll pull them out a little sooner because they'll bake more quickly. This takes a little longer because it's deep. And I want you all to look. In this little organizer, they have a place just for the little muffin tin. This is all that anyone needs, at least for a while, unless you're cooking, and you need like double. So this is what I chose, and again, the reason I love Caraway is it is safe and non-toxic, and number 2, it does not stick ever. No cooking oil needed. It's fantastic. And number 3, it's beautiful. You can choose the color for your home that just fits your aesthetic. And then the little cherry on top is this fabulous organization that is included. So I hope that this was helpful. I love sharing tips and advice that hopefully help you be savvier in your life and your family and your home. And there's my husband. And as always, I hope if you like this content, you'll subscribe to my channel. I always strive to bring valuable content that hopefully will be a blessing. And as always, until I see you again, you be blessed and stay savvy.